Right. So till now we have discussed introduction of Microsoft project and now recording is started. If you are in this meeting and you don't want to appear, you can keep your camera off. This is the live session and it is meant for the recording and it will be uploaded on YouTube. So make sure we are we understand the disclaimer to join this call. Okay, now if we talk about Microsoft Project, it's a very powerful project management software. We have file menu, we have task menu, resource, report, project, view, help, Gantt chart, format, and tell me what you want. So we will be mostly working on task today. Right. So we are going to work on task today, not on resource mostly, not on report, not on any other things. Okay. Now, in task, we are going to cover four things. Number one is task name, duration, start, and finish. Right? If you have Microsoft Project already installed, please try to enter some things and then we will enter and we'll see what is the difference and what have you entered these tasks. Okay, so what we have discussed that we can have something like this structure. Project name here first, And then we can have project initiation, then we can have planning, we can have execution, sorry, execution, and then project close. Now, this is entry of task. Task name means the task that we have in WBS. But we know that in WBS s- we have hierarchy. You understand hierarchy? Hierarchy means what kind of structure we will have. What is the top task? What is the child task? Now you can see here, I can just enter new column and I write WBS. What will happen? It will write serial number. But we know that project name will start from 1 and then initiation we should have 1.1, planning should have 1.2 and but in initiation if we have two subtasks like project maybe business case and project charter. But the challenge is it is still showing like this. So what can I do? I select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I click on indent. See that? If I click on indent, it will be creating structure like this. You can see, read this column. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it will change to 1 point something. See that? It will work on this. But you can see that initiation will have these two things, project charter and business case. If I indent these two, number will change. See that? And in planning, if we have two more things, insert and insert, I can have risk management plan or we can have multiple plans. Okay. Don't think that we will have only two plans. I'm doing it for the sake of should look like complete. Okay. We still have no start date, no end date, nothing is clear. And this is still not done. But we have to write first. Let's solve one problem at a time. I'm solving task name and I'm solving making summary task. Why we call it summary task? When we indent something, it will create summary task. I created initiation as summary task. Why? If I click here, it collapsed. See, because we can still have only four things as summary tasks. See that? If I expand it by clicking here, okay, like this. Now, for execution, suppose I will write three things just to make sure that it looks like something like real project. I inserted three things. Maybe we write design, development, and testing. Okay, if I do these things and I can just indent. Now you can see we have these things. Project initiation, project plan, execution, and closure. Suppose business case takes 2 days and project charter takes 3 days. Risk management plan takes 4 days, quality management plan takes 5 days. Design takes 10 days, development takes 20 days, and testing will take 8 days, and closing will take 2 days. But what happened here? See, everything looks like it is starting from here. So what is left? Now we understood and entering the task, we understood duration. Now we'll work on dependencies. Dependency means if we finish business case, then only we can start project charter. So what will I do? I select these two and I link this. See that? This is changed. This is changed. Now, if I want to work on planning, so first I will work on risk management plan, then quality management plan. So I will select these two and then connect these two. And if I will work on execution, so if I say that everything is dependent, I will click there and it will look like this. But the challenge is still there. Why we have this start date exactly same? Yeah, it is same because I have not said that risk management plan will only start when project charter will finish. So here you can see predecessor. Do you see that? This is, let me make it with a different color just to explain what I'm doing here. So we have to work on this. Whenever we start risk management plan, we have to ensure that project charter is completed. And, and serial number of project charter is 4. So I will write 4 here, 4, and press enter. See that it is moving. And here it is quality management plan. When quality management plan is complete, then we will start on design. So what is this serial number? It is 7. See that column in this column? So I will write 7. But still, it doesn't look very good. Why? Because task mode is some manual and some auto. I will make everything auto so that what will happen? Our Gantt chart, this is called Gantt chart. Our Gantt chart will be proper. It doesn't look like proper, right? If I click on auto schedule here, everything will be fine, right? So we studied few things for entering the task, entering the duration, create summary task, and working on dependency, simple dependency, okay? And then we change to auto schedule. Correct? If you have any question, you can write comment. I will be replying to you, or you can send me email or connect me on LinkedIn. All right. That's how we can work on Microsoft project with ease. In next video, we can work on resources, how to ensure that these resources will work on different tasks. This, okay, and then we will work on cost. So I'm just stopping this video. Make sure you ask relevant questions if you have any. I'm going to stop the recording now.